Okay guys, I am back with yet another DIY. I know we all want to be quarantined and cute, so I'm going to take this plain old Darga set that I got from Walmart and create two different looks out of it. So stay tuned. Okay, so you need two things. One of them will be the tracksuit or the Darga set that you'll be working with, and then you'll also need a pair of scissors, and that's it to jump into this tutorial. The first step is you want to take this sweatshirt or top that you're working with. Make sure you're laying out nice and flat so you can get a nice even cut. I would suggest you mark where you want to cut if you're a beginner. However, I've been cropping tops for years, so I know where to cut. I would suggest that you start off with cutting maybe about 6 inches or 7 inches. Always remember that you can cut off more in case it's not as cropped as you like for it to be. And then you want to make sure you're cutting in a straight line across the bottom of where you want to crop your sweatshirt. Be sure to keep the bottom piece that you're cutting off, because that is going to be the fabric that we use for our tube top that we're going to create further in this video. Now, if you wanted to take it a step further, you could cut the sleeves into short sleeves and cuff them that way. I might do this when it gets a little warm outside, but for now I chose to keep my sweatshirt with long sleeves. It's entirely up to you of what you want to do, but I kept them long. Next step is to grab your sweatpants. Be sure that they are wrinkle free. Again, the same at the top. Fold them in half. Make sure that they are equal length to the hem of the bottom of the pant, just so you can make sure that you're cutting them as evenly as possible. So make sure they're lined up there. Now, from the crouch to the bottom of your pant is called the inseam. Now, depending upon how short you want your shorts to be will be how much you'll measure for that inseam. I, however, like to have shorts that's a tad bit longer, so I'm cutting, this is probably more so a 10-inch inseam. Popular retailers like Forever 21, Fashion Nova, Boohoo, all of those, they usually have an inseam of like 5 inches or less. It just truly depends on what you like. Alrighty guys, and here we have it. Number 1, this is like the basic of the basic. There's no cuffing, no style to it whatsoever, and that's truly up to you, your preference. You can really make this a super stylish outfit with some dope shoes and some cool accessories. However, what I'm going to do now is cuff the bottom of the shorts. I like doing that because, you know, some days I want them to be shorter, some days I want them to be longer, and I can do that because I decided to cut my shorts a tad bit longer versus cutting them this short initially. And I think just cuffs add to another little style, which is cute. So that's kind of like outfit number 2 of what you will get after cutting your sweatsuit. Now we're hopping into making the top. So you want to make sure you're grabbing that material that you cut off from the bottom of your crop top, and that's the material that you'll be using to create your tube top. Now this is going to be super simple, super easy. You just want to make sure you fold it in half and that it's even and that it's flat, similar to all the pieces that we just cut. You're going to take your scissors and simply cut this portion in half. Now once that portion is cut in half, where I'm wearing a sports bra, so you can I guess gauge and test out how big or how tight you can tie this portion of your tube top. We're just going to do a simple knot in the back. So what I would do is reverse it to the front, tie it as tight as possible. You don't want it to be too tight where you can't pull it off of you, but you also want it to be tight enough where you'll be like secure. The girls will be okay in this top. Now once you, I guess, figure out what is the tightness of that top, simply turn it around and make sure you can easily move it, pull it up on the girls, and make sure you feel comfortable. Now we can top off, and I will show you how it looks like without the sports bra. I just put on the sports bra for filming purposes, but let's see what it looks like without it. Also wanted to pop in here real quick and say that this is really cool because it could be reversible. So I'm flipping it inside out, and you know how the inside of a sweatshirt is really fuzzy and soft, so that could be one side, or you can wear it on the side that I will normally wear it with. Let's get into this look. Ladies and gents, look how cute this is. I even used some excess fabric that I had and created like a little choker. I would encourage you guys to do that as well if you like. You can create a headband out of it, but this is like super cute. Even with the back portion, you can create different like fringes with the excess fabric. Just have fun with it. You can tie-dye this with the excess fabric. You can also add straps on the edges if you feel like you don't have enough support. I am a 32G, so I'm pretty comfortable wearing that as is. And here is another look, again just with the choker. Super cute, super comfy, great quarantine and chill outfit with bae or their friends or just yourself. Again, if you wanted to be a little more relaxed and give a little more sporty, tomboyish vibe, you can. And I love this vibe as well with some cool dad sneakers. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!